Let's take a look at creating strings in Python 3. We'll create some simple messages with double quotes and single quotes, and then we'll use the print function to print. Let's take a look here. Let's create a message here. Print, double quotes, hello there world. This is Python. Then we'll create another message. We'll use single quotes. We'll say, and this is another message. Okay, let's go ahead and go here. Python, string. Forgot to save. There we go. So we got the message. Okay, now let's take a look at changing cases in a string with methods such as title, upper, and lower. Okay, so let's create some message. And let's say this is a new world of software engineering. Okay, now let's go ahead and do print message dot title. Okay, print message dot upper and print message dot lower. Alright, so what that will do, title will update each letter in the beginning of each word separated. Upper will capitalize all the letters, and lowercase is all the letters, which we would see no change. So let's go ahead and save this and print and run. Okay, so here we go. We can see here this line. This is a new world of software engineering, where all the first letters are capitalized. The next sentence, we can see that all the letters are capitalized, and in the bottom one, all the letters remain lowercase. Okay, now let's take a look at concatenating strings, such as a first name and last name. So first what we'll do is we'll create a first name, let's say Ada, then we'll create a last name, and that'll be Lovelace. Okay, and then we'll create a full name variable where we'll take the first name plus, so plus is a symbol to concatenate. We'll provide a little bit of space, and then we'll add the last name, and let's go ahead and print the full name. Let's go back here, clear this, and run our, nope, let's not forget to save. Go ahead and run, and here we can see that it's been concatenated together. Okay, now in our next example, let's go ahead and add some whitespace to the strings with tabs and new lines. So that will be the backslash T for tabbing and backslash N for new lines. Okay, so let's say we have a list here of words, maybe programming languages. Okay, now let's add a tab, actually a new space, a tab, and we will say JavaScript. Then we will add a new line, a new tab, and we'll say Python. And we'll add a new line and a tab, and let's do Java. All right, let's go ahead and print, see what that looks like. Let's save, run. Okay, so now we can see here programming languages, and we have a new line and a tab, new line and a tab, new line and a tab. Okay, now let's create another message here that we're going to strip the white spaces from using the methods rstrip, lstrip, and strip. So let's create a message, actually, let's say message like this. Let's add some white space in the front. We'll say hello there world, and we'll add some spaces. All right. Okay. Now let's print. Now let's go ahead and use the right strip. All right. So first we'll just print the message out without doing anything to it. Then we'll take the message, and we're gonna actually add so we can see those changes. Signal this is the end of that. We'll do the same here. This is the end. All right, and then else we won't be able to see the white space is getting eliminated. So here we'll go ahead and right strip that. All right, let's go ahead and run to see what that looks like. Let's save. Let's compile there. All right, you can see here there's white spaces. In the first message, which hasn't been changed, you still see the white spaces on both the left and the right. And then on the new message, you can see spaces on the left, but they've been eliminated on the right with rstrip. Now let's do another example here where we'll eliminate messages on the left, the white space on the left side. Okay, let's continue to just add the end here. Let's save, run that. All right, you can see now here we've eliminated the white spaces on the left side. Okay, now let's do one more. All right, and we'll have message, and we're just gonna now just strip, and this will eliminate both right and left. Let's go ahead and add end here. Okay, and let's save and run. Alright, so now you can see with strip we've eliminated white spaces on both the left and the right hand side. Alright, so that's strings in Python 3.